Hi, I'm Patrick Ledwell, Instructional Designer at Holland College. Today we're going to have a look at how to put subtitles or captions onto your video. As many of you may know, if you upload a video to YouTube, closed captioning is something that YouTube's intelligence does for you. But the scenario we're looking at is that you're not uploading it to YouTube, but you'd still like to have captions at least automatically started for you. So let's get going. Step 1, I've been starting to create a presentation using PowerPoint, voice over PowerPoint, discussing some of the essential standards for blended or distance web delivery at Holland College. I had created my PowerPoint and recorded those in advance and save in the file format MP4. I've saved that and produced a short video that we have right here with the voice over PowerPoint that I'm looking for and the navigation of the slides. It's got the audio included right there. So the question is, if I've got that voiceover track on that MP4, how can I get a start on putting some closed captions or some subtitles on it? What we're going to look at today is a tool that I've looked into called Veed.io. There are many very intelligent websites with different forms of accounts on the internet where you can look at automatically generating your subtitles. I've chosen Veed.io mainly because you don't have to go through an elaborate account creation to see how well it does generating the subtitles first time out. So again, instead of logging in on Veed.io, I'm just going to upload that video. Again, the file that I'm uploading is the MP4 that I produced by exporting my voice over PowerPoint, that PowerPoint presentation on essential quality standards for distance delivery at Holland College. Again, I'm in Veed.io and I've uploaded the MP4. Looks like it's ready there. Going over to this navigation bar on the left-hand side, I can see that I've got an option here for subtitles, and I can choose to auto subtitle and see how well the artificial intelligence does at interpreting the narration that I gave to my voice over PowerPoint. Let's see how it does. We're going to go with English. Let's see if it's got a Canadian option. Yes, English Canada. We'll see if that helps at all. And the video is my demo of Essential Standards, and we'll hit start to see how well it does on generating the captions automatically. Cooking away on the subtitles. Here we have the first interpretation of Veed.io of the audio track that I had along with my video. Let's hit play on the timeline. This is looking really well. It's even doing capitalization and some punctuation. What you can do within Veed.io, you can even decide that perhaps you want to clean those up. Holland College should be capitalized, maybe a possessive, essential quality standard for distance course development. You can scroll through how well that automatic subtitling has done for your subtitles. For example, this section, the first band, has to do with web design. Are learners able to navigate your course? I actually meant that to be the number 2, TWO. 2, course information. Are learners. So those types of cleanups to make it fully accurate and intelligible are things you can do in an easy to edit way. Here in the timeline, looking at how well Veed has done it's interpreting your original voiceover. When you've done the cleanup that you want, it's time to export. I'm going to just choose to have a quick look. HD, that's high definition. It's going to be 47 megabytes, and I'll export the video. Great. The export has happened fully, and by hitting play, I can see the captions, subtitles. I'm happy with that. I'm going to choose to download the MP4. You'll see that downloading. And that file, that MP4 file, is one that you could upload to our learning management system here at Holland College, SAM, or your delivery platform of choice, with the captions now part of the video. YouTube does a great job at building those closed captions for you, but if you're not hosting on YouTube, this combination, uploading your video to veed.io, gets you through to captions in several simple steps. All the best in getting those captions in. Thanks for listening.